show. It's your girl, Shaylagh, Payla. Do you know what time it is again? It's December, so that means that today's December 1st and that we're going to be doing the Christmas countdown. But this year, me and my brother are going to be alternating days for the Christmas countdown. So let's get started. Now let's look at this. It says, Santa's elves work all year through making toys for kids like you.
So if you're wondering what second one is, it's right here.
I know. Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a Christmas slime for our 25 days countdown. So let's get started. And it's going to be a blue cloud slime. So first we need to pour in the glue. Hi. That should be enough.
That was way too much. You never know, right?
Now it's time for the water, right? No, we put that in the cloud slime.
Oh yeah.
Or in the snow. And now
If you need extra water, I have some.
Okay, now we're gonna add blue food dye.
Yay.
There's some right here.
We also have to mix it. I would see that. Good job.
That should be good. And then we'll add more food.
Yeah. Ooh, that's getting so pretty. Yeah, actually it looks like clouds. Yeah.
Maybe I should just add,
Yeah.
maybe just one more.
Yeah.
I can make it.
You already put one more dye.
It's okay. It'll just be a little. Let me put this in. Can you put it in right away?
Yeah.
Oh, I got it with my hands. Careful. Oh yeah, this is perfect.
Oh, now I got it all over my hands. Nice, I don't touch it. Mom?
So now we're gonna. What? Now we're gonna make the snow.
I need a napkin.
You can wash your hands after.
Okay. Got some snow.
Okay. Oh, and these say that they have a little surprise in them. I think
Yeah, this one has a tree.
this one has a snowman. So
The tree's for me. Give me my tree.
no, Riley. I'm gonna put them up front so that everybody can see them. Now let me just get all this out. Oh, these are, okay. And I have the.
I'm gonna get my stand.
No, wait. These stop.
No, the stand is
Okay,
for my tree.
And now these, I'm gonna use a little YouTube magic and make these come to the front. Now we're gonna add some activator. Oh, we also need to add our glitter, but we'll do that after. So I have this cute little blue activator container. Not too much because we don't want to overactivate.
What's gonna match the slime color?
And we have the gold and silver.
No, I was talking the tree and the snowman.
Yep.
That's all we have.
You can already see it turning into slime.
And there's a missing one and
A
gingerbread.
I said it.
Now the water is going to turn all blue.
Yeah, it grows.
So look, it grows.
Where?
It's like puffy slime.
So once it starts to peel away from the container, that means it's ready. It's pressed to play. Let me roll my sleeves so I don't get any on my.
Yeah, those are nice jammers.
I think I got them for you. No, we got them from Target. Okay, it looks like it's almost ready. Just need to mix a little more than.
But I'm pulling mine up in case you don't get it on me. And then we need snow, right?
Yeah, we're gonna make the snow and then add it in until it turns into cloud slime.
Okay. Yeah.
I made cloud slime before, but I didn't do it right because now I know actually how to make it. You have to have a lot of cloud slime.
Wait, what if? Oh no, I'm gonna get some scissors to cut off it.
No, not yet.
I'm just gonna get them.
Okay. We're only gonna use one packet.
Yeah.
Because one packet should be enough because it looks really small, but it shows that it's really big in the container.
How about we make a huge one?
Now I like to add activator to my hands before I play with it.
Can I play with it?
After it's ready.
Yeah. It will grow. No, the reason why we're making it look puffy puffy because clouds are puffy.
And it will grow up.
Grow up? So it's gonna be nuts?
Yeah, so see, it's growing. That means it's up. Can I have more activator, Mason?
Okay.
Just a little. Don't want it to overactivate.
Oh, I just opened
Actually, I don't
the
Riley!
a little hole.
Okay. Oh, wait, that's good. No more.
Oh
more.
no, I actually did it
Just
sideways.
leave it alone. Leave it alone.
I'm gonna have to. Guess we're gonna use that one. So we're gonna cut it open.
Yeah, and I'll do that so we don't make a mess.
You always do everything.
Okay, I'll hold it and you cut it open.
Yeah.
Okay, see it's starting to not stick.
Over the slime or
Are we
over
doing
the
this one?
container?
This one needs a little activator. There's a bunch of glue left in the bowl, so we'll get that out. Let me just put this on the table.
Don't get that right on my face.
I won't.
So the shovels are for how much snow you're gonna get.
That's you.
Because we have 2 shovels.
That's your slime. No, one comes in each packet.
I know.
That's good.
I know.
I wonder where you guys
You
got
do
that.
magic.
Okay. Now we're going to get the rest of the slime out.
Yeah. To make it big. And do it cool.
I don't need to. It's not going to stick to the back. It's not going to stick to the table.
Oh, you're right.
Just need a little more activator now since I
Now do we
added
need the snow?
in just a second, Riley. Actually, we should leave it just a little sticky. That's way too much. I'll just do that so it doesn't. Oh my!
I'm gonna put my
I have to do it over here so that it doesn't get.
Oh, a little piece.
Mason, can you get me a napkin? Oh, can I have it?
Good.
Can I have a napkin so I can wipe that off? Okay. You might want to add. There's still more glue, so that's good. So that it'll be more sticky for the snow, so that sticks.
Which one, plain or?
It doesn't matter, Mason.
I'm gonna do the Thanksgiving one.
Mine's hedge Oh, Mason, don't walk in front of the camera.
You walked in the camera.
Now we're gonna play with this slime. Oh, we need to move these because you can't see anything.
All the New Year.
How can you like it, Mom?
Jingle bells, jingle
Pretty
bells,
icy blue.
jingle bells.
Can I just a little
Away.
string? It's really good.
I want to put some activator on my hand.
You don't
Oh,
need
the
it.
no.
E-I-E-I-O. Not right now. Let me add the snow, then it'll. Okay. It's not sticky. Put your. Just
E-I-E-I-O.
I can't do
There's a
it.
Santa there, there's a Santa there. There's a Santa
Just want to play with it?
everywhere.
Want to poke it? Okay.
No, with 2 hands.
Okay, that's good. Now, can I have, okay. Wait, we need, we're gonna put it in the container.
I need to pull my sleeves up.
Okay. Ah, don't cut my fingers. Okay. That's enough. You can just do that.
Wow, now the slime is sticking on me. Riley,
Why is everybody
Oh, put it back. No.
picking on me?
No pulling yet.
Wait, we're gonna put the slime in there before we put the water in?
No, we're gonna put the water in, the snow.
This is cool. This is a cool.
It'll grow. See how it's growing?
Well,
Riley, don't put me. I don't want to add too much.
oh, it's growing! I can't.
Guys, can you please move?
It is growing. I'm just gonna look at top. I can't believe it's actually growing.
Me?
Chef, you want? Shayla.
That should be enough. Oh, Riley.
I want to
Now we
believe
can add
it. Magic
some
sand
snow.
is really cool.
Are you taking
Yeah.
kinetic sand?
What?
Kinetic sand?
No, it's called magic sand.
Now we can use one of these.
It's really called magic sand.
Well, let's use a scoop. That would be cool. Let's just add a little more water. No, not yet. Mason.
Okay.
I'm gonna make it bigger.
I'm just
Not
gonna
yet.
come get one.
More water, the bigger this.
Okay, put all the water in. No, I can scoop it.
No. Let me just add a little more. I want it to be very big because I need a lot. No, stop it.
Shovel.
I have a shovel. Dude, okay, that's enough. We're just add a scoop.
Can I have one?
Okay, yeah, add a scoop. It looks like cake.
Well, weird.
Okay, that's a lot of cake. The snow looks like white cake.
I just want to put a little more.
No. I have another packet. Just feel it.
Oh,
No taking. Put it back.
Can I feel it? Ooh.
No taking it. Just feel.
Okay,
Now put it back. Put it back. Don't.
I still have that.
Okay, so now let's mix this in. Stop it! Riley!
Fine. I want to just mix it. I'm just gonna mix it.
No, it doesn't need mixing.
It's not slime. It's not slime. Can I feel it? Feel it.
When it's done.
Is it that? You're playing. It's gonna grow, right? It's gonna grow.
Right? Mason, can you please stop doing that? This is so cool.
Can I try?
Can I feel? It's not done. Okay, yeah.
Oh, feels
Sweet Tail's a good poke. Guys, it'll feel better once I add all the snow. And all of it, we're gonna add, no, stop it.
Let me see how much there is. I'm gonna give it to you.
Okay.
Shaylagh,
No.
what about
You can give me the container.
What about we don't really put all of it in?
Yeah, I know.
No, we're not gonna put water in
One more
this.
thing. Let me see.
We're not gonna put water in this, but we save it for tomorrow.
Yeah, I know. Now,
Oh, that was
it's not drizzling like it's supposed to yet. See, it's sticky. No, stop it.
I just want to play.
They love playing with my slime. Stop it.
I want to play with the snow so bad.
But when it's finished, because it might be a little sticky.
I said with the snow. I said with the snow, Riley.
Oh yeah, it is getting sticky. I might have to add some activator after. It's
Ooh,
gonna be.
this feels so great. Now my hand was stuck.
Ooh, I can see it's starting to get there. Okay, it just needs a little activator.
A little.
Not too much. And then we'll add the glitters and then we're done. Oh my. Now it needs a lot. Because it's so sticky. I feel like the activator didn't work. I feel like I made it stickier. Probably should have maybe over-activated it. I thought slime.
I'm shoveling up. Shovel.
Okay, I don't know what to do because this got really
Take a
sticky.
little bit and put it in the
Stop
water.
it, Riley.
Stop it. I'm just going to put a little more in the water. Wow.
Needs a lot of activator.
This time I'm going to...
I don't know anything else that would activate it.
Okay. This is it.
It would make it stickier.
I put snow in
Okay,
the
that seems a little more
water.
activated.
Snow water. I'm going to...
Guys, stop it!
The water.
Okay.
Have some snow.
Snow water. Okay, so we need to finish this up. And then
I
need
need
like
snow
stick
water. Now
this.
with it, slime. Snow water.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get out of the channel and watch you guys.
Okay, I think it's ready. It might be. It's like sticky but hard. It's weird. Riley, stop it!
Hey. Why not just a little more?
Okay, don't know if it's gonna work, but I might have to add lotion, but more activator. I don't know what to do. I think it's good.
Can I?
Yeah, it's for sure ready, I think. Okay, now we're gonna add our glitter and then we'll be done.
Scissors.
So I'm gonna put the top on it.
Are we gonna use this for the
It's sticky.
calendar?
See, I
Are we gonna put this on the tree?
Yes.
It feels like
We're gonna add some gold glitter.
It feels like I was gonna eat it.
Mason!
That's scared us.
So we're adding gold glitter right now.
Yeah.
Really fine. So I love using this glitter. It's so pretty.
Oh no. I need to get this.
Might add a little more. Now let's add some silver and then I have blue. It's like
Yeah.
a mix of blue. So we're gonna use
Can I just press violet? Good.
the really. That doesn't add too much.
Can I mix it this time?
And I got this one from Target. Yeah. No, Riley, stop. Okay. And now blue real quick.
I keep.
Okay, I can't open it, so I'll add it after. And this is our finished slime.
Yeah.
A little sticky, but also tough. But I think it turned out well. Mason,
Do you even have any gold?
I did. It's just really hard to see.
I can't
might.
open this. Oh no.
So let's. It has really good poking still,
Yeah.
I don't know. Peel. It's
and it looks like a.
some
It
slime.
looks a little weird.
Oh, feel
Yeah, it does look a little weird, but it still is
I
like
put some slime in there. It feels so good.
so cool. Okay,
The snow
I
one.
hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.